Come on, guys, you gotta learn to be more confident. Alright, so here's a story for you. About 2 years ago when I graduated high school, I was 240 pounds. I ate a lot of junk food. I wasn't a very successful person. Didn't really like myself, didn't have confidence all throughout my high school, middle school, everything. But then once I started doing some of these tips, using these tips, implementing a lot of things, new things into my life, that's when everything changed for me. Everything. Now these tips go into 3 categories. Goes into body language, actions, and mindset. So we'll get right into it. Now tip number 1 is take up more space. And you can do that by, if you're sitting down, you just have your arms out like this. Don't sit there and cross your arms like this because you just look like a smaller, more timid person that doesn't have confidence. And what is so powerful about body language is as long as you have your body language what you want it to be, you will feel that way. If you smile, you'll have a hard time being depressed. And that's what's used in many, many practices of counseling. Psychologists use it. So just having this open, be bigger, chest out, shoulders back, body language will make you more confident. Step number 2, this works the most with being more attractive to women, but it also works with just showing your confidence to other people, and then in time it will have you gain more confidence. When you see someone and you lock eyes with them, don't just look away right away because then you look timid. What you want to do is you want to hold the eye contact a little bit longer, and if they hold it a little bit longer, then you just smile at them and then they'll usually look away after that. This is something that I've implemented in my life not too long ago, just to step outside my comfort zone a little bit, to not be so intimidated to look people in the eyes and to actually talk with them and have a good conversation with strong eye contact, and that in turn will make you more confident. Now there are so many actions you can take that are just so easy to implement into your life that will skyrocket your confidence like it has mine. The first one I want to talk about is, of course, just working out, going to the gym, being more active. It has scientific proven effects that it just increases your confidence, lowers your stress levels. Everything about it is a positive. You will start to see results. I lost 60 pounds from just working out and eating healthy and stuff, and that has skyrocketed my confidence because now I am close to looking how I want to look. And so working out can do that. It can just completely boost your confidence and you will feel a lot better. Now another thing that isn't talked about too much, when you look good, you feel good. That's just a big thing. You look good, you feel good. Another thing you can do, another action you can take is just go and get a haircut. Get a clean haircut, get something that matches your face shape, something that's modern. Don't get like a mop top or anything like that. So you can see I got one not too long ago. Got a nice haircut and I feel good, I look good, of course. So that skyrocketed my confidence a lot, because I just know I look good, and a lot of it's because of my haircut. Now, as you can see, I don't look like a slob. I have a nice shirt on, and that comes with tip number 5, which is increase your style. If you increase your style, you look good, you feel good. You just know that people are gonna look at you, notice you, and be like, okay, that guy, he knows what he's doing. So if you can invest in a couple pieces of clothing to put in your wardrobe to make you look good, feel good, your confidence will skyrocket. It is extremely hard to be confident if your breath stinks, your beard is just all out of whack, you don't brush your teeth, your nose hairs are flying everywhere. So tip number 6 is to increase your hygiene. Make sure you do whatever you can to smell good, to look good, to trim every hair that you need to trim, and just having good hygiene will make you feel more confident because you won't be worried about what people are thinking about your bad breath and all the other problems you may have if you have bad hygiene. Now going into mindset. Mindset is one of the most powerful things in the world. If you have the right mindset, if you can change your mindset, if you can decide what you want to feel, what you want to think, you are unstoppable, like completely unstoppable. You can feel the way you want, you can think the way you want, you can get what you want, you can succeed in life in general. So the first thing, and tip number 7, is watching motivational videos, having things around you that will make you motivated to want to go out and do stuff. It will help with all these other tips, as well as you'll have more motivation to go work out, to eat healthy, to get a haircut, to every tip you need motivation. So as long as you're watching motivational videos, it will help with your confidence as well, because they'll be telling you can do anything, that you can succeed, that everything is up to you in your life, and you'll feel that motivation and you'll feel that confidence. A big part of the mindset of being confident is you have to know who you are, and you gotta know that you are the best because you put in the work. There's a difference between cockiness and confidence. Cockiness is knowing that you're really good and not putting in the work. You don't back it up. You don't put in the work, and you don't show it. You don't do anything to improve yourself. So that's the difference between cockiness and confidence. If you know you're the best, or you have a mindset that you're the best, and you listen to these tips, you watch these videos that I make, and you get that confidence and know that you have a mindset of being the best from that, that's confidence. And that is a big part of it, is just in the mindset of being the best. Number 9, I talked about it a little bit before in this video. It is stepping outside your comfort zone. What you want to do is, if you step outside your comfort zone, there will be nothing that you haven't done before. Then you won't ever feel nervous. You won't ever feel insecure. That just helps with a lot of things. Like when I have eye contact with people, usually girls, I make sure I look a little bit longer than I usually would, just to see how I feel, to not be afraid of eye contact with people. And it has really increased my confidence with just people in general. That is something that I plan to do. Like, increasing your comfort zone even more is going to be very beneficial, make you confident in many other areas. This can be used in so many areas of your life to increase confidence and help you be more successful. Now, number 10 has a very special place in my heart, and it is just getting a lot of knowledge about life, and these videos are a part of it. Is just getting the knowledge you need to become a better person, to learn about life in general, to be able to succeed in what you want to do and not be insecure, not be holding yourself back. Because in life, if you hold yourself back, that's the only person that can hold you back, and I don't like that at all. So gaining knowledge about life is very important, because then you'll be unstoppable. You'll have the most confidence in the world because you know more than everyone else, so you will feel like you are the best. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. That's 10 confidence hacks and tips that you can implement in your life right now to become a more confident person, to have a better chance at success. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, because I put videos like this out, and I hope they are helpful to you. Make sure to like the video if you did, dislike it if you didn't like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep striving.